Hey everyone, thank you for watching this video that is complementary to our solar energy course from Udemy or our website. The idea of this video is to see how to use the maximum and minimum power and open circuit voltage of the PV modules and string of your system, adjusting the values by the minimum and maximum temperature of the region. As you know from our solar energy course, at low temperatures the PV modules have a higher voltage, and at high temperatures the PV modules have a lower voltage. And we need to make this adjustment when we are designing our PV system. This Excel automatically calculates the maximum and minimum power and open circuit voltage per module and per string of your PV system. To make it work, you need some inputs like the maximum and minimum temperature of the region, the number of PV modules per string, and the power of the modules. If you are enrolled in our course, you will know how to do it, as we are learning this on the design section of this course. And if you are not enrolled and you are interested in learning, we encourage you to do it. We left a link on the description of the video to our Udemy course that we also are going to publish in our website solarenergycourse.com. So make sure visiting us on Udemy on our website if you are interested. If you want to see in more detail how to get the maximum and minimum temperature of the region, we did another video showing how to do it. It's called How to Get the Irradiances and Temperature for Any Region using the NASA website. You can find it in our YouTube channel, and we are going to leave a link below in the description of this video. Before jumping into the tutorial, I wanted to tell you that if you are interested in our complete solar energy course, we are leaving a link below in the description. We also encourage you to visit solarenergycourse.com. There we are creating a community for solar energy entrepreneurs, installers, and enthusiasts. We are publishing premium articles on solar energy, Q&A forum, courses, and much more content that we are planning to add. The goal is to add more value for you and to spread the green revolution. We are firm believers that the world needs clean energy, and at the same time, this has to be sustainable. And we need more people to join to cover the world needs. That's why we want you to join and tell your friends about us, and to join as well if they are interested in solar energy. Thank you so much for listening, and now let's go back to the tutorial. So now we already got the maximum and minimum temperature of the region using the NASA services. As we said before, if you want to see how to do it, we are leaving below on the description of this video a link to a tutorial where we show how to do it. So let's do it with this example. Let's take Los Angeles, California for this example. So here we have the maximum and minimum temperature. We have these values on degrees Celsius. Now with this information, we go to our Excel. Here we have the inputs in pink or orange. We are going to enter the NOCT. We get this from the datasheet of the solar panel that we are going to use. Let's say in this example is 45 degrees Celsius. Then we enter the nominal power of the module. For this example, let's use 280 watts. And then the other info from the datasheet of the solar panel. These are the temperature coefficient of the power and voltage, expressed in percentage per degree Celsius, with the correct sign given in the datasheet of the solar panel. From the datasheet of the solar panel, we also get the open circuit voltage, or VOC. Then we use the data that we got from the NASA website, which is the maximum and minimum temperature in degrees Celsius. We also add the number of PV modules per string. For this example, we are going to use 11 PV modules, and the radiance that we get when the maximum and minimum temperature are given. Let's say is 1000 watts per square meter and 500 watts per square meter for each case. This is for the maximum and the minimum temperature. Once that we enter all the inputs, we have the calculations and results on this box. We have this box divided into two groups, per module and per string. And on top of that, we have the values for the minimum and maximum temperature. So looking per module first. We get the cell temperature, higher than the ambient temperature, of course, for both the minimum and the maximum temperature. If you don't know why is this, we encourage you to enroll in our solar energy course. Then we have the power and the open circuit voltage for each case. So we have the minimum and the maximum open circuit voltage. This will help us in the designing of our PV system and selecting the right inverter. We have the same results, but per string instead of per module also. Notice how the open circuit voltage can change up to 55 volts for 11 solar panels, of course considering these two temperatures in the region that we are using in the example, and considering the power of the PV modules that we previously choose. So with all this information, we can continue with the design of our PV system. So as you can see, this Excel is pretty useful for obtaining the minimum and the maximum open circuit voltage and power for both the maximum and minimum temperature of the region that we obtain from the NASA services. I hope it is useful for you, and in case that you are enrolled in our Udemy course or in our website, go back to the next video over there. And in the case that you are not enrolled, we encourage you to do it if you are interested in learning about solar energy. And we also encourage you to visit us at solarenergycourse.com. In the link in the description, we leave you the links to the NASA Power Project and the link to our website and to our course on Udemy. And also the link to download this spreadsheet that we use in this tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, and see you soon. Thank you so much for watching.